Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your always on display on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here you can basically personalize your always on display with different clocks, colors, and even GIFs right from your settings. So this will basically make your phone truly yours and you can see useful information at a glance, even when the screen is turned off. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and bring down the notification bar and tap on settings. You want to go ahead and scroll down until you see lock screen and AOD. Now from here, you want to make sure your lock screen is turned on. Tap on it. From here, you can go ahead and see what you want to see. So you want to see a black screen or you want to see the lock screen wallpaper. You can go ahead and set if you want to show the now bar. So the now bar will basically show you all your live notifications. You can even configure when to show, so always, or if you want to tap to show it. Now, if you lock a screen and tap on screen, your always on display will show up. If you want to configure this, so you can go ahead and configure this by long pressing on the home screen, tapping on wallpaper and style, go ahead and choose your lock screen. Now go ahead and configure your clock. So you can go ahead and choose all the different styles of clock. You can go ahead and make these larger. You can add widgets to it as well. And now when you press done and you lock your screen and you open up the always on display, you'll see your clock customized and you have widgets here at the bottom. So there you go guys, that is how to customize your always on display on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.